रूप रघुनाथ पदे हईबे आकुति कबे आमी बुझाबा से जुगल प्रीति. If you want to know what is the priti of conjugal love, then we'll have to go to Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Goswami, and to pray, "Oh Prabhu, you should be merciful to us." And only by the blessings and mercies of Rupa Goswami we can know what is Jugal Piriti. Otherwise, in colleges, we cannot have these things. Anywhere in world, in no colleges, even a Shraddha, a bit of Shraddha we can have from colleges, those who are Nastic, atheist. But they can learn us. They cannot teach anything. They will teach us tit for tat, Chanakya Niti and all other things. Policy, duplicacy, hypocrisy, all these they will teach us. So, Jaha Bhagavat Pada Vaishnava Sthani. You should go to Vaishnava and you should learn what is Bhagavat. Real meaning they will give. Not any university or philosophical colleges, anywhere. Krishna Prem and Krishna Bhakti can be achieved only by the unconditional mercy of unconditional surrender. Without surrender we cannot have a atom of bhakti. Anywhere it is not written that we can go to any in world in any learned person. That is, lakhs and lakhs learned persons in India also who knows all Vedas in their this. What?
They quote in memory.
In memory, how? They can utter very good.
Even.
Yeah. Sahasra Sirsha. Yeah, Sahasra Sirsha. Purusha Sukta, Sri Sukta, and all sukta. They cannot utter. I don't know in what college Haridas Thakur has read. He had been attended in what college? He was the principal perhaps of that college, Namacharya, who has given this title, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself gave. And he cannot write A, B, C, O, A, Ang, Ah. How he became? By the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Advaita Acharya. We don't know into what college Srivas Pandit or any has done. Krishna Bhakti cannot be have anywhere in this fair or in world. Jaha Bhagavat Pada Vaishnava. So here Narottam Thakur, he was a very learned person in Sanskrit, in Bengali, and he was top learned person. But he is telling to Loknath Goswami that, "Oh Gurudev, be merciful to me that I should go to Rupa and Sanatan, Rupa and Raghunath. Only by their mercies, if we surrender fully in their lotus feet, then automatically Krishna Premi will come. Saddha, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav, Prem, Sneh, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav. Like a garland, it will come. But going to school, colleges, to professors and principles anywhere in this world. A little bit of bhakti, even a Shraddha cannot be, we can have. So, you should try to go to Vaishnavas. If they are, even they are in Madhyamadhikar, they can give at least Shraddha, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, they, at this level they can give, and after we should go to Uttamadhikari. Then we can recognize, we can realize that who is Vaishnava Madhyam and who is Uttam. Without Uttam Adhikari, Prem cannot be achieved. You should have a very tight understanding. So, don't go to colleges and schools. Any persons who are learned, Anuswar and Visarg, they can do Uthak, Baithak, Dandak. With Anuswar and Visarga, they have no relation with Krishna at all. Try to honor them. If you will have to give honor to that kinds of devotees. Even to Kanishta you should honor. If who are against you, you should give honor to them. So, here, how can we give honor? We give honor only by the grace of Sri Nityananda Prabhu. If the mercy of Chaitanya Nityananda Prabhu is coming to us, then we can chant Gauranga Bolite Habe Pulakasari. Like this. Oh Gauri Chandra, Sachinandan Gauri. Otherwise we cannot tell. We can make a sound. Gauranga Bolite Habe Pulakasari. But that sound is mundane sound. Nityananda Prabhu cannot hear this. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will not hear this. Those who have surrendered solely to Nityananda Prabhu, and Nityananda Prabhu accepted them, then our this sound will go to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and heart will be melted, and that melting through eyes will come as a tears. Then our life will be successful. These are the process. So to have Nityananda Prabhu, Nityananda Prabhu has manifested himself in so many Sadguru, but really they should be Guru. So-called Guru cannot do anything. In this world there are so many so-called Gurus, having the best, but having so much anger, lust, and what? Hypocrisy, this, envy. They are not even a Vaishnava ought to be a Sadguru. So we should try, but our try will not do. We should tell Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, you will have to manage Sadhu Sangha, Sadguru for me. He will hear certainly if our desire is earnest, and then we can do all these things. Then we can pray to Rup Sanatan, Rupa Raghunatha Pade, Haibe Akuti, Kabe Ame Bujhaba Se Jugal Pari. Rupa Raghunatha Pade, Hai. Hare if you are not going in proper channel, then what will be? Instead of Rup Raghunath, we will go to anyone else, and we will be attached to worldly sense gratifications. We are bound to be like that. So, we should go to Vaishnavas. But it is very hard to have the association of Vaishnavas. If we have no past impressions, you cannot have the association of bona fide Vaishnavas. Then what to do? If you are not going in this process, you cannot realize what is Jugal Preeti. Even Shraddha you cannot know. What is Jugal Preeti? And what is Vrindavan? What is Vrindavan? Those who are living in Vrindavan, they are not Brajvashi actually. Who are Brajvasis? Who are Brajvasis? No desire, worldly desire. They have relation to Krishna with Sakha, Vasalya Bhav and Gopi Bhav, beloved. If anyone has this relation and serving Krishna, actually serving them in three modes, they are Brajvashi. I think those who have taken birth in Vrindavan, like tortoise, like others, like donkeys, they are in Vrindavan. They are not in Vrindavan. Actually, they are not in Vrindavan. Those who have relation with Krishna, what he is my friend, and serving Krishna. Oh, he is my son, serving him like Yashoda and Nanda. And he is my beloved like gopis, then actually they are Brajavashi. Rup Sanatan was Brajavashi because they were Rup Manjari and Long Manjari, Anand Manjari and all these Manjaris. They are seen in the shape of male, but actually they were not male. They are descended here only to have give mercy to make qualified to be in Vrindavan. And you are Brajvashi? No, I am not Brajvashi. Actually I am not. But I have some hope that I will be one day Brajvashi by their mercies. So don't think that all are Brajvashis. Those who are serving in that way. And those who want this, they are Raga Nuga Vaishnava only. They are thinking that when a day will come that by the mercy of Nityanand Prabhu, Baladev Prabhu, I will be Brajavashi and I will serve Brajavashi. We can serve Brajavashi. Don't think and have above that I am Brajavashi in Vrindavan. Only you should pray that I can serve Brajavashi and then any day in any birth I may be Brajavashi. So here, in this point he is saying that Rupa Raghunath Pade Haibe Akuti Kabe Ami Bujhabe se Jugal Priti is so high. So we should pray, O Rupa Raghunath, have mercy to me. I am not qualified, but yet I want your mercy. If you will not do Kripa, then I may die. So we should pray like this. Saranga Saranagati Haibe Jahar Tahar Pratna Sune Sinanda Kumar.